Well, my mala just broke. Woke up and I practiced pranayama and meditation, and I wore my mala since I woke up this morning. Worked the whole afternoon, morning, and I studied German. Before I went to practice yoga, I wanted to take the mala off of my neck, basically, and then it just kind of snapped. And then I kind of felt that it snapped, so I just held it together, and all the beats did not actually get out of the line, and which I think is a good sign. Yeah, so initially I thought this is just bad vibes, right? I've been with this mala for more than 10 years. It's been with me for more than 10 years exactly. I'm really attached to it because I used to do prayers more often. I used to pray with it, and at the moment I'm just wearing around my neck while I'm meditating, and then sometimes during the day after meditation as well. Been using this nearly every single day, every time I practice meditation. 2 3 times a week I was using it as a prayer to count how many times I prayed. But now that it's broken, I'm thinking, what is going on? What is this? Why has it broken today? And I try to kind of look both sides of the coin. Maybe something negative, maybe something positive. Yes, there are things that are not ideal in my life, and maybe the energetic field is not ideal, so that could have happened. But also there are things that are positive as well, and I want just to take it to that side. But it could have broke for both ways, right? Because maybe there is some tension and it's feeling it, and it basically broke, but it did not really split all over the floor, which is a good sign. I think it's just telling me that I need to pay attention and practice more, meditate more, practice more yoga, more pranayama, and practice more prayer. Actually, this is what I have to do it. So, and then there is more to it. You know, when a mala breaks, it's a sign of a new beginning. It's a sign that I have to start a new journey. I have to let it go as well, and I have to reborn and be a new person. I've decided that I will upcycle this mala because I'm just wanted to upcycle because I felt that it did not really snap away, and the beat stayed in the thread. It stayed in the line in the thread. So I think it's a good sign. I think it's a sign that's saying, hey, you need to restart, but recycle. It's but yeah, now it's in here. I got all the 108 bits there. Don't feel that I'm ready to let it go. I'm ready to let a lot of things go from my life, but not really my mala. I really believe that I need to restart my life, and then I need to start a new beginning. Know what I have to do. I'm just in the process of executing everything, which is really amazing. It feels really liberating, and that is a sign. And this is not the first sign. There's more things that I have that are Buddhist that have been breaking. I mean, I'm usually really careful with my things. They never really break, but all of a sudden they just break, and I'm thinking, what's going on? But this is the thing. It's a new beginning. It's a sign that I have to let things go, and I have to restart my life, and I have to reborn. Has that ever happened to you? Do you have a mala as well? Do you have a Buddhist mala? And after how many years or months that you own your mala that you broke, just let me know in the comment down below. Definitely, I would say that I've got this mala for around 12 years, easily 12 years. So 12 years is almost like a child, right? But this is not a human being, but I'm really attached to it. You're a Buddhist and you practice meditation, prayers, and you have a mala, and you have your ritual things that you practice. It becomes part of your consciousness, becomes part of my ritual, becomes part of my life. So I really take care of those Buddhist things that I own and that I have. They have malas or Dharma or anything that is Buddhist, we are meant to take care of them and always keep them clean and safe in a nice environment, in a clean environment, and protect them, because all of our intentions, all of our good intentions are in those things, and we use them to focus and to become aware and present and being in a present moment. And this is what the mala does. You're praying, counting each prayer, so it brings you back to the present moment. It brings you back to the mala, brings you back to the beats that, and your good intentions are actually connecting with it. So it's becoming part of you, and that energetic field, it's important to protect. The signs that I have to let things go. The most important thing is that I know what I have to do, and the universe is giving me all the signs. I have to execute my plan, and eventually everything's going to be okay. I upcycle my mala. I'm not ready to let it go. That was strange because this is the first time that happened to me. I own other malas as well, but they never broke. So this is the first one that I ever owned that broke. So I had to do a video about it. So I had to share with you my experience when, my first. I mean, this is not my first mala, but I had to share with you this experience because it feels a little bit surreal. That my first mala, well, the first mala that broke has never happened before. I guess I'm getting old. Even the mala was kind of old, so 12 years old. Time for this thread and this line to break, right? Yeah, I don't know. It is quite a resistant material. Yeah. But once again, I'm gonna recycle and I'm gonna run another video in which I'm going to be doing this and upcycling and recycling and rebuilding my mala with its 108 beats. And then once I've done with the job, I'm going to go to the Buddhist temple here in Berlin, and Bodhisattva it's called, because I wanted to re-bless it, let's put it that way, because last time I did that was in Summerlee in Scotland. To redo it again, it's purified again and it's nice and clean, and yeah, I can restart to reuse it with good intentions, and it's protected. What I'm going to do. Thanks for watching and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Namaste.